All right, good morning, everybody. What we're going to do today is we're going to start on our keychain project, and this is going to run us through the basics of Fusion 360. So there are some tools that you should really know, and once you understand at least how those things work, you can kind of figure out how everything else goes if you're willing to try. So you're going to see here playing that I am running through the entire project pretty quickly with a few mistakes. I'm not going super fast. I was able to complete this in under 4 minutes. You're not going to go that fast. All right. I have done this exact project hundreds of times teaching it. So of course I kind of have that rhythm down, that muscle memory. So understand that it's going to take a little bit as we learn these different tools. So a couple things that I want you to keep in mind. Don't forget that when you zoom, it zooms to where you point to. And don't forget that house button up there by the view cube in the top right corner. If you get lost, click that thing. The other thing I want you to remember is that when you're working in 3D, try and click that house button and flip it so that it's angled. Don't work on it where it's flat, like when we draw it. Otherwise, you're going to run into issues. So, without further ado, you can go ahead and kind of jump into the first tutorial, and let's take a look at what we've got here.